Question 7. In circle C, central angle PCQ defined by chord PQ is congruent to the central angle RCS defined by chord RS. Radii segment CP, segment CQ, segment CS, and segment CR are drawn in. Segment CM intersects chord segment PQ at point M. Segment CN intersects chord segment RS at point N. And he must prove that segment PQ is congruent to segment RS. Which statements and or reasons will be useful in our proof? There is more than one correct answer choice. Select all the correct answer choices. Okay, so the first question I'm going to ask myself is, what information do they give me already? So I could kind of know which direction to go. So since this is not a right triangle that we know of, I'm going to eliminate the hypotenuse leg congruence theorem. And then I'm going to just mark what they give us. And they give us radii. And we know that since all radii are congruent, then we have all of these congruent legs right here. And they also give us that, so if we look at just that, I'm noticing that, is this a side-side-side congruence? No, because we're trying to prove this third side RS is congruent to this third side PQ. And we can't use them being congruent when we're trying to prove that they are congruent. What we do have, though, is we have this segment RC, we have an angle, and then we have another segment CS, and we have their corresponding parts. In this triangle, segment QC, the corresponding angle is congruent, and the other segment CP. So we actually have a side angle side congruence postulate, and then we would have corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So since these two triangles are congruent, that means that since RS is corresponding part to PQ, then that means that those are congruent. So that's the three that we would choose, and again, I just based it off of what they gave us and talked through and eliminated which ones we could use.